Hello, CNG 132. A quick update for next week. Let's change the discussion topic. Let's make it about. I've been seeing updates on my Symantec antivirus that I forget who just got hacked. But let's take a look and reflect a little bit of what we've learned in the first 6 weeks to now. And let's see if we can't maybe pull some of these hacking events, or I should say even data breaches, into perspective and see what went wrong, and see if we can even maybe say, hey, look, maybe if they took this step, this could have prevented this. I did a quick search, and this Macy ones came up via third party, and really they're just trying to get. Let's see, if we're to analyze this, they took away some risk by giving it to a third-party member, but then they're also, in this paragraph here, they're blaming it on the unnamed third party for not taking the correct security spots. So let's try to find other data breaches, other security hacks. You can use Google. And simply just by typing, I think I just did security breaches of 2018. A lot came up. Pick anything you want. It doesn't have to be the same as somebody else picks, and even if it is the same topic as somebody else picks, maybe you have a different approach or think maybe a different solution should be offered. But go ahead and let's make our discussion for next week based on these. I will post this video in the news, so hopefully everyone reads it. But make sure you pick something that comes out to you, and then describe, maybe do a brief description on what it is, why it happened, and then maybe you offer some sort of approach on if they would have done this, maybe it wouldn't happen. And let's just do some picking apart and really utilizing what we've learned so far in class. So I look forward to our new discussions oriented on this, and have a good week. I'll put out a new video tomorrow too.